Azure Container Registry supports built-in roles and custom roles to control who can interact with container images and registry operations. By leveraging Azure role-based access control, you can grant precise permissions to users, service principals, or services, ensuring secure and efficient registry management. Let's understand built-in ACR roles and permissions. ACR provides predefined roles with specific permissions for registry operations. Let's discuss those roles here. Owner, contributor, and reader roles provide broad access but should be assigned carefully. ACR push allows pushing images but prevents other registry operations. ACR pool is best for container host nodes that need read-only access to images. ACR delete is for deleting image data. And ACR image signer is for automated processes that sign trusted images before pushing them. And you can assign ACR roles using Azure Portal, Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, and Terraform and ARM templates. Let's understand the best practices for different users and services when it comes to ACR. For automated build and deployment pipeline, such as GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps, you can assign the ACR push role, which allows pushing images but restrict broader registry management. And you should avoid contributor for this use case unless full registry control is required. For nodes running your containerized applications, you can use the ACR pull role, which allows pulling images without modifying registry settings. And you should avoid reader as it grants unnecessary Azure Resource Manager access. For users managing registry via Visual Studio Code, Docker extension or Azure CLI, you should use reader or contributor roles to allow AZ ACR list or Docker push pull, something like that. For users configuring registry policies such as image retention or quarantines, you should assign owner or contributor for policy changes. And if you need more control, don't hesitate to create custom roles with specific permissions to match your security and compliance needs. Example use case for custom role could be a role that allows pulling images but restrict Helm-chart downloads, or a developer role with push access only to specific repositories within ACR. It might be needed in some of the use cases. Bottom line, to secure your ACR access, you should use Azure RBAC to grant access based on user and service needs, assign built-in roles appropriately, such as ACR push-pull based on the use case needs, restrict broad roles such as like a owner and contributor to essential users only, use custom roles for granular control when needed, and monitor registry access logs in Azure Monitor and Defender for Cloud. By following these best practices, you ensure secure and efficient management of your Azure Container Registry while minimizing security risk.